Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this custom list to your Blogger website. Now in the previous video, I had shown you how to design this from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I will leave the link of the design video in the description of this video. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add this to your Blogger website. So let's get started. Right here, I have logged into my Blogger dashboard and let's add this design to a post. So let's click on new post and let's add a title. I'll just type steps to use our product. So you can add your own title over here, and the next thing you need to do is change this into the HTML view. So by default, the compose view will be selected. So click on this button and click on HTML view. Now here you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag for that. And let's go to our source code, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So let's copy all the styles from here and let's paste it inside the style tag. And now let's go ahead and paste the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag and let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the main.js file. And let's copy this JavaScript code from here and paste it inside the script tag. Right now, let's go ahead and paste the HTML. So let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the HTML file. And let's copy this HTML from here, this single line of HTML. And with that, we have added our code to this post. Right now, the next thing we need to do is we need to update the links of the images. So right now, we can see that the image URL is set to images/the image name. And we don't have this image in our Blogger website. So first of all, let's upload the image and then let's get the link and paste it over here. So let's go ahead and upload the images. I'll just go ahead and click on this insert image button and let's click on upload from computer. And here are the 3 images of our design. Let's drag and drop them over here. And here for the size, I'll just select original size and let's click on OK. And here we have all the images. We need to get the links of the images. So let's copy this link from here. It is inside the href attribute. So let's copy the first one, which is 5G. And let's paste it over here. And then we have the other image, which is AI. So let's copy this. And let's paste it over here for AI. And then lastly, we have the image for quantum computing. So let's copy this. And let's paste it for this second image right here. And here we can see all the details of our design are displayed over here. We have the title, which is displayed over here. And then we have the description and the image URL. So you can go ahead and change these to whatever you want. And these numbers 1, 2, and 3 are all generated automatically using this JavaScript code that we have over here. So now let's go ahead and publish this post. And here we can see our post was published. Let's click on view. And this is how our post looks right now, but we have these images displayed over here as well. So we need to go ahead and delete these images first of all. We got the links, so we don't need this anymore. So we can delete this and let's update this. Let's go back and reload this page. And we have some problems in our styling. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And here if you scroll down, here we can see that we have this style word break set to break word in the theme itself. So we need to reset that in our list style number. So we need to type word break and we need to set it to normal. And then we have some more style that is hindering this element. So here we can see we have the line height and it is set to 1.6 em. We need to remove that as well. So let's do that. Let's reset the line height. So I'll just type line height and I think the default is 1. I think we can increase the line height a little bit more. So let's try 1.5 and that looks all right. Now we also need to change the color of this heading to black. So let's do all of that. I'll just copy these 2 lines of CSS from here. And let's go back and paste it for the number. So here let's paste the CSS. And we don't need these background URLs over here, so we can just delete them. We are doing it in the JavaScript. And then for the S3, let's go ahead and set the color to black. And let's update this. Let's go back and reload our page. And now we can see everything looks alright. So this is how the custom list looks. Let's also take a look at the mobile version. And this is how it will look on smaller screens, and everything is working alright. So that's basically how you can add this custom list to your Blogger website. Right, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.